I'm so hungry, oh so hungry. Can we just go to dinner? Dinner's in like 20 minutes, so that's good.
I do not like that.
Oh yeah,
Arrivederci.
arrivederci.
Ciao.
We are going to dinner, to dinner, to dinner. We're going on the lift.
Yes.
Look how tiny the lift
Where are we
is.
supposed to go? 0?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is there a random blank one?
Apparently
There's
that.
2, blank 3.
There's probably something else there. The scary floor.
We should go there.
It's scary.
It's floor 2.5, just like Harry Potter.
Yeah, that's where you go to a magical kingdom. Let's go, go, go. Sorrento is better at night, but it smells like sewers.
Yeah. You can't see the stars though.
Oh no. We're going to get gelato. Are you going to get gelato?
Sure.
Good.
I'm really hungry.
I'm hungry for gelato. I'm feeling the burn now, guys. I'm feeling the burn.
I like doing this.
Take your time getting up to this step.
Holy. What the?
Pain just doesn't stop us. Oh my god.
Are we there finally?
There's more.
Oh. We're finally here. Woohoo.
That
Yeah.
shouldn't take very long.
Okay.
This is so cool.
But wow.
What's it?
Gelato. We need to find gelato.
Let's go there.
Can I head back this way? Italian positions. That's so cool. It's 9:34.
And what, 10:30 you have to have? Yeah. So we have like 55 minutes.
We just got gelato and now it flash flooded. Woo! The gelato was kind of worth it, but I mean, it's really pouring. I mean, actually, no, it's relaxing now. Look, we can walk back.
They're gonna be really slippery. Even if it stops raining, they're gonna be really
It rains like really quickly here, though.
Doesn't it? It's like,
Yeah.
That's
It's
kind
starting
of.
to even drizzle. All the shops closed. So
Yeah.
I saw quite a few. But yeah, you're right. Some big closed.
like all the ones with stuff outside.
Yeah.
If she wanna rock, she rocks. If she wanna roll, she rolls. She can roll with the punch as long as she feels like she's in control. And if she wanna stay, she'll stay.
But I decided to go on it anyway because look at the beautiful view. Just not look how high up we're gonna go. Oh my god. Go, go, unicorns! No, I'm just kidding.